Hey, welcome back to Azure Bytes. New episode, Azure Databases. Before we dive in, story time. A company built a customer management system. Thousands of customers, years of data, orders, transactions, everything. They chose Redis for their database. Everything worked great, fast, responsive, users loved it. Until one day, the server restarted. All customer data gone. Years of customer information, purchase history, account details vanished. The problem? Redis is an in-memory database. It's designed for caching, temporary data, session storage, not permanent customer records. When the server restarted, memory cleared, data gone. They had to rebuild their entire customer database, from backups, from old export files, from email receipts. It took weeks, and they lost some data forever. The lesson? Azure has 7 different database services. Each one is designed for a different job. Redis? Perfect for caching. Terrible for permanent storage. SQL Database? Perfect for transactions. Bad for global millisecond reads. Cosmos DB? Perfect for worldwide apps. Overkill for a simple blog. Today, we're going to make sure you never pick the wrong database. Think of it like dating. Each database has a personality. Some are reliable and traditional. Some are fast and flashy. Some are complicated. The question is, which one is right for your app? This is the database dating game. Let's meet the contestants. Think of this like a dating show. You're the app. The databases are your potential matches. Let's meet them. Contestant 1. Name: Azure SQL. Database. Personality: reliable, traditional, well-established. Age: decades of experience. Best for: apps that need ACID guarantees. Relationship style: committed, long-term, monogamous. What they say on their dating profile: I'm always consistent, you can count on me. I handle money, transactions, important data. When you need someone reliable, I'm here. I speak SQL. I've been doing this for 30 years. I know what I'm doing. This is your classic relational database. Tables, rows, columns, foreign keys, ACID transactions. Perfect for e-commerce, banking, CRM systems, anything where data integrity matters. If your data has relationships like products belong to categories, orders belong to customers, invoices belong to orders, then SQL Database is your match. Contestant 2. Cosmos DB. Personality: fast, exciting, globally distributed. Age: born in the cloud, modern. Best for: apps that need speed at global scale. Relationship style: long-distance relationship expert. What they say: I'm everywhere you need me to be. Tokyo? I'm there. London? I'm there. New York? I'm there. And I'm fast. Single-digit millisecond reads, guaranteed. I'm flexible too. Want SQL? I speak SQL. Want MongoDB? I speak that too. Want Gremlin graph queries? Got it. I'm versatile. I'm fast. I'm global. But I'm not cheap. Cosmos DB is no SQL. JSON documents instead of tables. Perfect for social media apps, gaming, IoT, any app with users across continents. The magic? Multi-region replication. Your data is copied to 10+ regions automatically. User in Japan? Reads from Japan data center. User in Brazil? Reads from Brazil data center. Lightning fast. But you pay for that speed. Contestant 3. Redis Cache. Personality. Super fast, but forgetful. Age. Young and energetic. Best for. Temporary data. Speed freaks. Relationship style. Short-term fling. What they say. I'm the fastest database you'll ever meet. Microsecond response times. I live in memory. RAM, not disk. But here's the thing. I'm not great with commitment. If I restart, I forget everything. I'm perfect for check session storage, login info, check caching, website speed, check real-time leaderboards, check temporary data, but don't ask me to remember your customer records. That's not my job. This is the database that company used for customer data. Big mistake. Redis is amazing for the right job. Gaming leaderboard? Perfect. Website cache? Perfect. User sessions? Perfect. Permanent customer database? Terrible idea. Remember the lesson. Use Redis for what it's designed for, not as a replacement for SQL Database. Contestant 4. Azure Database for MySQL or Postgres. Personality. Open source, flexible, familiar. Age. Well-established, community-driven. Best for. Migrating existing apps. Relationship style. I accept you as you are. What they say. Already using MySQL on premises? Great! I speak the same language. Just move your database to me. No code changes, no rewriting queries, no learning new syntax. I'm MySQL, but in Azure. Managed, patched, backed up automatically. I'm the easy migration path. If you have an existing app, using MySQL or Postgres, and you just want to move to the cloud, this is your match. Perfect for WordPress blogs, Drupal sites, legacy apps already on MySQL Postgres, open source enthusiasts. Drop-in replacement. No drama. Contestant 5. Azure Synapse Analytics. Personality. Analytical. Big picture thinker. Complex. Age. Mature. Experienced with big data. Best for data warehousing, business intelligence. Relationship style. It's complicated. What they say. I handle petabytes of data for breakfast. You need to analyze 10 years of sales data across 50 countries with complex queries? I got you. But I'm not for simple apps. I'm for data scientists, business intelligence, analytics teams. If you need to ask how many customers bought product X in Q3 2019 and join that with web traffic data and combine it with social media sentiment, I'm your database. But if you just need a shopping cart, I'm overkill. Synapse is not for transactional apps. It's for analytical workloads. OLTP versus OLAP. Online transaction processing versus online analytical processing. Simple way to think about it. SQL database equals recording transactions as they happen. Synapse equals analyzing historical transactions. If you're building an e-commerce site, SQL database. If you're analyzing years of e-commerce data, Synapse. Different jobs. Now let's play matchmaker. I'll give you a scenario. You tell me which database is the best match. Ready? Scenario 1. E-commerce website. You're building an online store. You need shopping cart, product catalog, order history, customer accounts, payment processing. Requirements. Money is involved. Structured data. SQL queries for reporting. Which database? Azure SQL Database. Why? Transactions are critical when money is involved. You can't lose an order. You can't charge a customer twice. You can't have inconsistent data. ACID guarantees. Atomicity. All or nothing. Consistency. Data is always valid. Isolation. Transactions don't interfere. Durability. Once saved, it's permanent. SQL database equals perfect for e-commerce. Scenario 2. Social media app. You're building the next Instagram. You need user profiles, posts and comments, feed generation, millions of users worldwide. Requirements: fast reads, global distribution, flexible schema, massive scale. Which database? Cosmos DB. Why? Global users need local performance. User in Tokyo shouldn't wait for data from Virginia. Cosmos DB replicates your data to multiple regions. Tokyo user reads from Tokyo data center. London user reads from London data center. Less than 10 millisecond reads, guaranteed. Plus, no SQL flexibility. Posts can have images, videos, polls, whatever. Schemaless JSON documents. Perfect for social media. Scenario 3. Gaming leaderboard. You're building a multiplayer game. You need real-time leaderboard, player scores, rankings update instantly, millions of reads per second. Requirements: insanely fast. Sorted rankings. Can lose data if server crashes, not critical data. Which database? Redis Cache. Why? In-memory equals microsecond latency. Built-in sorted sets equals perfect for leaderboards. Player scores a point? Update takes microseconds. Leaderboard updates instantly. And here's the key. It's okay if the leaderboard resets if the server crashes. It's game data, not customer records, not financial transactions. Temporary, fast, perfect use case for Redis. But if this company had used Redis for customer accounts, that would be the story from the beginning. Data loss on restart. Right tool for the right job. Scenario 4. WordPress blog. You're moving your WordPress blog to Azure. You need MySQL compatibility. WordPress requires MySQL. Easy migration. Don't want to rewrite anything. Requirements: MySQL compatible. Managed service, no server maintenance. Which database? Azure database for MySQL. Why? WordPress is built for MySQL. You're not changing WordPress, you just want it in the cloud. Export your on-premises MySQL database. Import into Azure database for MySQL. Update connection string. Done. No code changes, no query rewrites. Azure handles patching, backups, high availability. Easy migration path. Scenario 5. Business intelligence. You're a data analyst. You need analyze 5 years of sales data, terabytes of historical data, complex queries joining multiple data sources, feed Power BI dashboards. Requirements: handle massive data sets, complex analytical queries, not for live transactions, historical analysis. Which database? Azure Synapse Analytics. Why? Built for analytics, massively parallel processing, can handle petabyte scale data. You're not recording new sales, you're analyzing old sales. Which products sold best in Q3 2023? How did Marketing Campaign X affect sales? Customer segmentation analysis across 3 years. These are analytical queries, not transactional. Synapse is built for this. Integrates with Power BI. Data scientists love it. So that's Azure databases. Not a boring list of features, but a matching game. The key takeaway? Understand what you're building. Then pick the database that fits. Thanks for watching Azure Bytes. Drop a comment. Have you ever picked the wrong database? What happened? Next episode, Azure App Service. See you then.